Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas day 5.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
All right, guys, so I'm not feeling my absolute cutest. I mean, the curly hair is cute, but we are gonna do a whole beauty maintenance vlog in tomorrow's or the next days. So for today, we're gonna meal prep. And I meal prep every single week, but I'm on a bit of a time crunch because my husband leaves for work in an hour. So I need to get his dinner, because he's working swings right now, so he works late in the evening. I need to get like his dinner prepped essentially, and that's gonna be my lunch that I eat a little later in the day. I'm saying good morning, but it's like 1:30 p.m. because we don't get up until like 12. Girl, it's a whole hot mess. But my hubby got me a new toy and I'm so excited. I've wanted this for quite a while. This is the Dash Safe Slice Mandolin, but this one does all these different ones. So we're gonna unbox this and we're gonna get to cooking. All right, guys, so this is the Dash Slicer, and I'm gonna be so honest with you guys. I did not really know how to use this, but I just wanted to give it a try, okay? And let me say this, these were supposed to be dices, and they definitely came out as slices. I was looking for cubes, and I got strips. So I need some practice with this, but it did make it really easy to cut everything up. And I usually have my nails done, and I hate getting onion under them, so that was perfect. The first recipe we're gonna go in with is some chopped up steak, and you're gonna need to put in some cornstarch, lemon pepper, adobo seasoning, garlic, onion powder, lemon juice, and soy sauce. I don't measure anything, honey. Just season it until you feel it in your spirit. And then put that in the fridge to chill. In the meantime, we're going to get some cornflakes because that is a gluten-free breading, and we'll make some air-fried chicken. But I want my air-fried chicken to be crispy, and I don't want a stomachache from it. So this is how we're going to do it. You're going to get an egg. You can put some adobo, a little oat milk, or you can put whatever milk you want, but girl, dairy-free, so oat milk. We're gonna use some chicken bouillon because we need that chickeny flavor in there. And then we're gonna put in some white pepper or black pepper. I'm just trying to use up this white pepper. And then Creole seasoning. You gotta put the Creole seasoning in there. It just hits different. Mr. Tony Ketchers, like, he knows what he's doing. So whip them eggs up and then go ahead and add one more egg because, girl, I was tripping. I don't know why I thought I was going to do all these chicken legs with only one egg. Like, girl, bye. Okay, so you're just going to take your chicken, dip it in the egg batter. Girl, I think we've all done this before, right? And then you're going to roll it around in the cornflakes. Now, I will say with the cornflakes, you got to kind of put your back into it, really mush the seasoning up on there, really mush the breading onto it. But once you get it on there, it's nice and coated really well. I've also done this as chicken wings, and they were like such a crowd pleaser. They were fantastic. My husband's friend was over for dinner that night too, and he was like, wow, like those are so good. You didn't fry these? I was like, no, just in the air fryer. So guys, this is a great way to get that fried chicken itch in there if you want to keep it healthy. After they have sizzled and fried in the air fryer, this is what they come out looking like, and they are delicious. So moving on to our rice for the week, I make about what is it? I do like 4 cups of rice, 4 cups of water, because we ain't got time to be cooking rice the regular way, honey. Minute rice for life. And then we're going to put the sazon in there because I love my little orange rice. Okay, it's so cute. It's so yummy and flavorful. And I just like the little pizzazz it adds to your meal. I like the color. Remember, we eat with our eyes and our stomachs, right? So you want the food to look colorful and appealing, especially when you're eating like healthy food. A lot of times it's so boring. So, you know, dress it up, make it pretty. And then I like to put I believe I put beef bouillon in there too, just to give it a little pizzazz. But we are going to go ahead and cook our beef from earlier with some onions, some just regular old avocado oil spray, because that's what I have, avocado oil spray. And then we're going to put some pepper strips in there. That is it. This is such an easy set it and forget it recipe. So we can move straight on to the chicken thighs. So with the rest of our onion from earlier, you can see I did have to like dice it up and stuff because it wasn't working. We're going to put some chicken thighs in there and just mix them on up. Mind you, we are already on recipe number 3, girl. This is how quick and easy it is to meal prep. We're going to put in some red wine vinegar because we're going for like a little Mediterranean style chicken, but obviously I can't use Greek yogurt, so we got to make it work. Then we're going to use some lemon juice. And then this stuff is bomb. Johnny's garlic spread seasoning. You can get it at Costco. Now, I am going to warn you. Mistakes were made. Okay, because I was getting a little zesty festy with the way I was seasoning. And y'all about to see me get humbled.
Yeah, exactly. Be calm when you putting the seasoning in there, okay? But you know what? When life gives you lemons, we gonna make lemonade. Basically, I just added some water in there and made that into my sauce. I wasn't planning on having it as a sauce, but girl, we got to do what we gotta do. So put it in there as a sauce and cook it up.
All right, guys, so you can hear everything cooking in the background. I'm just gonna show you the greens I'm gonna cook because I feel like these are such cheat codes. So the first is from the Tattooed Chef. You can get these at Costco, and we're gonna do the garlicky greens. This is gonna go with the fried chicken, right? The cornflake fried chicken, and this is just a perfect add-on. You can add a little rice with it. I probably won't. My husband I might add rice with it. I don't really know yet. I'll see how the macros break down, but the garlicky greens, this is so delicious. Now, this one does have dairy because it's a cheesy garlic sauce. So this is gonna be, like I say, I'm a 90-10 person. This is gonna be my 10% of dairy this week. You totally don't have to use these vegetables. You definitely could just use spinach, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, and leeks without the cheesy garlic sauce. And I honestly wish it didn't come with the sauce already on it, just so that I could make that choice for myself, but it is what it is. It is gluten-free, so I'm gonna take this one where I can get it. And these are absolutely delicious and so easy to make. It takes like 2 seconds to cook them in a skillet. And then the other one we're gonna have with our more Mediterranean style chicken and veggies is just some plain broccoli, because we're gonna have it with rice, that I do know. So we don't wanna be like overpowering with the meal. But again, you just heat these up in the microwave. It takes no work, and that is essentially my meal prep. Once everything is done cooking, I'm gonna show you guys it all together, but my camera's dying, so I gotta go charge you guys, so I can't really show you me cooking it. But it's not hard to cook these greens. You literally just heat them up in the skillet. Like, it's not that hard. Or you put the broccoli in the microwave. Y'all with me, okay? So everything's gonna cook, and I will bring you back when all the food is done.
All right, y'all. So here's our finished rice, our finished chicken legs, and then we've got our steaks. We've got our little diced chicken thighs, our big thing of broccoli, and then our garlicky, cheesy greens. And then that's my plate for lunch. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.